Want to create a unique music using AI? Today I will show you a free tool that generates amazing music in seconds. Okay, let's start this video. So first of all you have to open browser. I open browser. Here you have to search MuBird, this AI tool. Now you have to open it. Now you have to just login or sign in. I have been login. It says free plan that's provide 50 tracks per month. So it's amazing. If you exceed this limit, you can use new account and similarly enjoy this tool. Now what you have to do? Now you have to click here my generated tracks. You have to click on this. As I click on this, now you have to write any prompt that you want to provide like music. So I already made this prompt, so I just copy it and paste. Now you have to click on its duration timeout. It's very useful, but I choose default. Now you can click on generate. So it's saying its character is minimum. So I click on this. So I use. Now it's generating. Now you will see how it's amazing unique music will create. You can easily download this music. I already made this other tracks also. Now you can see it's created. You just want to click on download button. It will be downloading. So wait some time until it's download. Now you see it's downloaded. Now you can open and listen the music out. So in this way you can make easily tracks using this AI tool. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and support me for more video tutorials. Thanks for watching.